What is the exact meaning for absconding? You people should learn about absconding. Why people are sending absconding notification to you? Usually, you will move out from the organization without informing them. In future or presently, if you face any background verification related problems, you try to approach your previous organization. So you need to understand what is the meaning of absconding record, absconding status. If you move out from your organization without informing, they will mark as absconding, which means they are wantedly or directly giving the notification to your new employer. This person already worked in my organization, but he didn't complete the given task on time. We are facing lot of financial problem. There are lot of impact happens because of him. That is the meaning of absconding. So in future employer or current employer, if they do the background verifications, same thing they will decide, they will assume. Here also, you will not sustain your organization, you will not stick with our organization. If you get any other opportunity, you will move out from the organizations. So that is what people are not taking absconding people. If you have any plan, try to absconding from the organization, don't implement that. And also, if any of your friends trying to abscond, please communicate this point, and if possible, please share this video. They will help to avoid any issues for future background verification. And important thing is, absconding plus dual employment is another crazy problem. Don't do absconding plus dual employment. If you are already did, forget about future jobs. Simple. Okay. Honestly speaking, forget about your future job. Okay. And some of the people interacted with me, they utilized consulting with me, they got alternative solution. You can utilize that, no issues. Whatever I suggested, and go ahead with the tricks and utilize it in future employment. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.